Hey there folks, I'm about to make some spicy Southside chili. Well, how do I make spicy Southside chili, you might ask yourself? Well, this is how you do this. Now this is a recipe that's been passed down generation to generation throughout my family. Here's a list of the items you're going to need. Ground beef, various spices and seasonings, some beer, 1 onion, 2 bell peppers, and 4 jalapenos. A book on how to summon demons. Canned tomatoes and beans, depending on how you feel about beans. Don't forget your jorts. The first step is to heat up a nice big cauldron and then add your beef until it turns brown. As you wait for your beef to brown, open up your can of tomatoes, put it in a measuring glass, and add all your seasonings in there. After the beef is browned, make sure you drain the fat into the old tomato can. Next, add your tomato and seasoning into the beef. Before you stir it, make sure you add in a little bit of beer. Let it simmer for 30 minutes. And while you do so, you're going to want to cut up all your vegetables. Now you may notice that I have seeded only half of the jalapenos. And that is to maintain the heat, but make sure it's not too overwhelming. Feel free to seed all your jalapenos. That is, if you're one of them Northside fruitcakes. After the 30 minutes is up, add your vegetables. Now you're going to want to let your vegetables simmer inside with the beef for another 30 minutes. Now is a good time to enjoy a couple 2-3 beers. Now the very last step is to add your beans. Stir them up in there and let them simmer for a dub. Now it's okay to enjoy your chili with some macaroni, some cheese, some sour cream, some tortilla chips, some chives. However, this particular batch that I made tonight, why, it's good enough to raw dog. Now folks, I hope you make some real good chili. And as always, go Cubs.